How can I make this agent do things automatically? Well, that's a question that we got asked by the community, and I know that many of you have figured out how to add skills, configure things that the agent can do. But then the question was like, can I get the agent to execute these autonomously? And that's really possible because you can activate some autonomous tasks, autonomous activities for your agent, and you can do that very simply. So I'll show you how. You jump over to update, and you can see here the autonomous schedule, and you will be able to add specific prompts that are executed on schedule. So for example, this is a very simple one. I live in Singapore and I want my agent to check the time for me. And so I created an autonomous task called check the time in Singapore. It executes every 61 minutes, 60 minutes. I think for rate limits, we limit to at least 60 minutes. So anything above 60 is reasonable. You can also do a schedule, which, for example, you can run it on a daily at 9 a.m. or something like that. And here's the prompt. So here, for example, I have activated the skill to check the time for the agent. And so for the skill to work, I have to tell me the current time and then the location. And so I can say, check the current time in Singapore and fetch the ETH price. Okay. And so with this one, I activate my skill, I save it, and it will be executing every 60 minutes. I want to make sure that it has the right skills. And so, for instance, the skill to check the current time is this one. Let's activate it. And then I would like a skill to get the ETH price. So that's here in the wallet activity. So there is a pith, fetch price feed, and fetch price. I'm activating this for the agent only. And that's it. I save. And then I set and forget. And what will happen now is that my agent will be able to execute these tasks every 60 minutes. And I can go and see that in the autonomous task saying time, price beef. This is a very simple example, but hopefully can guide you on how you can configure your own agent to run data collection on schedule, to run trades on schedule, to run Twitter posting activities on schedule. All of this can be done through the autonomous tasks. So yeah, let me know what you're going to create, and you can always go and track the execution here, and you can see if the skill has been called successfully or not. Cheers.